You are Joseph Kennedy. It is September 1929, and you know exactly what is coming. Every morning you call your broker. Every morning at the same order. Sell. Quietly. Steadily. No headlines. While your friends on the golf course ask you what stocks to buy, you smile and give them names. You watch them write the tips down. You have been planning this since spring. You know which banks are overextended. You know the margin call numbers. You know that when the selling starts, ordinary investors will have no way out. They borrowed money to buy shares at the peak. When prices drop 10%, they lose everything. You are not predicting a crash. You are building one. On October 24th, the market falls apart in a single morning. Newspapers call it a shock, a surprise, a disaster nobody saw coming. You see it differently. You see it as the largest transfer of wealth in American history, flowing one direction, toward you. The crash was not an accident. The accident was trusting the men who knew.